Hey guys, let's talk about that crescent kick combo we do in class. Now, when I think about that crescent kick, I want to think about a soccer kick, how you kick with either the inside or the outside of our foot, and the kicks are named the same way. My inside crescent kick is going to come up straight first, and then crescent shape to the inside, striking with the inside of my foot. The outside of my crescent kick is going to come in and then out, hitting with the outside of my foot. And the same thing on both sides. If I had this leg here, it would either go inside or outside. Now, let's put that kick in a combo so we can work on it together. So like many of our combos, this one has a slide up and a step, slide up and a step. We're using that lead leg first, bringing our heels together. Foot comes up, inside, and then down. Then that rear leg is going to come up, outside, down. Slide up, heels together, lead leg, in, step, rear leg, out. Fantastic. Let's do that one more time facing the front. We have that slide up, lead leg in, step, rear leg out. Slide up, lead leg in, step, rear leg out. Finish up strong with that jab, cross. Fantastic. Now, let's go a couple more times facing this way so you can see it from the other angle. We're in that fighting stance. We have that slide up, lead leg, inside my body, step, rear leg, outside my body. Slide up, lead leg, in, step, rear leg, out. Finish up with that jab, cross, turn. One more, a little bit faster. Slide up, lead leg in, step, rear leg out. Slide up, in, step, out, jab, cross. Thanks for following along with me, guys. Have a great rest of your day.